Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Coding Vortex, where coding becomes simple and fun. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to download and install the Turbo C software. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Turbo C Download. Make sure to select a trusted source like Developer Insider. Once you're on the site, look for the download link, usually labeled Download Turbo C, and click on it. This will start downloading a zip file or an executable setup. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click to open it. If it's a zip file, extract it to a folder on your computer. You can do this by right-clicking on the file and selecting Extract All. After extracting, look for the setup.exe file and double-click to start the installation. During the installation, follow the on-screen instructions. It will ask you to choose the installation directory. By default, it's set to C, Turbo C, but you can change it if needed. After that, just hit Next and let it install. Once it's done, open the Turbo C software from the shortcut created on your desktop. Now that Turbo C is installed, let's test it out. Open the program. You can write a simple Hello World program and run it. If it works perfectly, you're all set to start coding. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Turbo C. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome coding tutorials. Let me know in the comments what topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.